Hi everyone, my name is Ruchira Prajapati. I joined this HR remedy in the month of September 2024 and it was a very good experience. I have learned a lot of things in regards with all HR modules like training, operations, payroll and recruitment, and it works a lot during the interview as well as right now where I am placed. And I have also got a very good support from the faculties as well, especially Seema ma'am, Darikar sir and Kiran ma'am especially, and Sachin sir also, in between took the feedbacks how it's going and how it works and how you are implementing those things in interview as well. And right now I'm very happy, and I also recommend that you may go for this HR remedy for your career plan. Thank you so much.